Welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to pay your subscription of Spotify. So the first thing you need to know is I don't have a Spotify subscription, but I show you how you can pay when you add a subscription. So you need to go to Spotify, and here in Spotify you got the two options to get to that option, how you can go to that option. So the first option is go to premium here in the down part, in the right down part, in the down right corner here in premium. And here you got the options of the offer. So if you got the dual plan, for example, you get here option when you get the plan where said more information, and in that option where said more information, you can put the information of your card and pay your subscription. So the other way is go to home, here in the superior right corner, in the superior left corner, in here in settings and privacy, you need to pick here an account. And an account you need to pick here in your plan, and if you get the plan duo, you get here the option of plan duo, and you pick here and send to you to the same page where you can pay your subscription. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.